Go to check in on the markets with our business editor, Fullerton. Tikki, it looks like we've ended the day in the red this afternoon.
Look, we have indeed. It's been another topsy-turvy day, Kieran, on markets. We started out of the traps pretty well following the US, and in fact all Northern Hemisphere markets looked quite optimistic after the sort of good numbers coming out of Europe and on COVID-19, and the idea that both Denmark, Austria and the Czech Republic would actually announce plans to ease some of their containment measures. We've since gone south, as you can see there, came back towards the end, but pulled down by some health stocks, actually. Look, I'd caution people who think that we've seen the bottom of this market on sort of March 23rd. We have been sort of crawling back since then, haven't we? But that could well be what's called a sucker rally or a bear rally. And we've had the RBA put their, again, the decision was rates on hold today. They did actually say that the QE that they've been up to has helped calm the bond market. They did also say that the June quarter was looking pretty grim. Shane Elliott from AMP told us this afternoon he saw a 10% contraction in GDP. So even though we've got relatively good confidence numbers coming out this morning from ANZ Roy Morgan, thanks to the JobKeeper stuff, it is still all pretty grim, I think.
And not a lot of optimism, speaking of grim, in the UK market for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
We've got live pictures from St Thomas's in London, where the Prime Minister is currently in intensive care.
Kieran, this is really serious. This is really serious. You've got the British Prime Minister, male, 55, works too hard, got the virus, continued to work really hard. Now, obviously, he's not on a ventilator, notwithstanding what the Russian media has tried to, the relationship between the Brits and the Russians, of course, but the Russian media have been spinning this fake news. He's not on a ventilator, according to the reports, but he is, taking oxygen, and the latest reports out of Reuters say his condition hasn't improved. If something went wrong with Boris Johnson as Prime Minister, I mean, this would be a tragedy. We're seeing the polls now of all our leaders go up, and it's leadership at a time like this that is so, so important. We need this chap to come out of St Thomas's with a big V sign, I think, because markets in Britain, which were very high yesterday, I don't know how they're going to open today.